As well as thinking about what's needed to build communities, planners also have to think about what people need. What else lives here? And what needs protected? We can't just build what we want, where we want, when we want. We need to make sure we take care of the planet. We need to do this by planning in better ways, setting land aside for animals and plants to live, including parks, allotments and other spaces in towns and cities, creating woodlands and new forests, cutting down the amount of carbon we produce, creating better public transport, cycle paths and using electric cars, producing more renewable energy through wind, solar and other new technology, recycling, keeping areas free from rubbish and plastic. Planners have a responsibility to develop healthy places for you and protect environments. So let's talk planning, responsibility and you.